Modern soft drink bottles are produced through a carefully controlled industrial process designed for speed, safety, and consistency. Everything begins with empty plastic bottles that arrive at the factory in large batches. These bottles are lightweight, flexible, and designed to handle pressure from carbonated drinks. Before any liquid touches them, each bottle goes through a detailed inspection process to ensure it meets quality standards. The first major step is bottle cleaning. Even though bottles are manufactured in clean environments, factories still wash them thoroughly. High-pressure air and purified water remove dust or microscopic particles. This step is crucial because even a small impurity can affect taste and safety. Once cleaned, bottles move automatically along conveyor belts toward the filling section. Next comes the beverage preparation stage. Soft drinks are created by mixing purified water with precise amounts of flavoring, sweeteners, and carbonation. Large stainless steel tanks are used to blend these ingredients. Computer systems monitor temperature, pressure, and mixture ratios to ensure every batch tastes exactly the same. This consistency is one of the reasons global brands can deliver identical flavors worldwide. After preparation, the liquid is transferred directly to the filling machines. These machines are designed to fill hundreds or even thousands of bottles per minute. Each bottle is positioned perfectly under a filling nozzle. Sensors control the exact volume of liquid added to avoid waste and ensure uniformity. For carbonated drinks, pressure control is especially important to prevent bubbles and foam from escaping during filling. Once filled, bottles immediately move to the sealing stage. Caps are placed and tightened by automated machines that apply just the right amount of force. This ensures the bottle is sealed securely without damaging the cap or threads. A proper seal is essential to maintain carbonation and prevent contamination. After sealing, bottles pass through quality control systems. High-speed cameras and sensors check fill levels, cap alignment, and bottle shape. Any bottle that does not meet standards is automatically removed from the production line. This process happens so fast that most rejected bottles are detected in a fraction of a second. The next stage is labeling. Machines apply labels evenly around each bottle while it moves along the conveyor belt. Labels contain important information such as ingredients, expiration dates, and branding. Some factories use heat shrink labels, while others use adhesive labels depending on design and material. Once labeled, bottles are grouped together for packaging. Robotic arms arrange them into packs or place them inside cartons. This automation reduces human handling and speeds up the process. Packaged bottles are then sealed, stacked, and prepared for shipment. Before leaving the factory, random samples are tested in laboratories. These tests confirm taste, carbonation levels, and safety compliance. Only after passing these checks are products approved for distribution. Finally, packaged bottles are loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores, warehouses, and distributors. From factory to shelf, the entire process is designed to be fast, efficient, and highly controlled, ensuring that every bottle meets the same standards of quality consumers expect.